my birthday's coming, and we're doing my birthday's coming in 6 days. Well, yeah, and I'm packing all the lolly bags. And I done some because I wanted, so it can be easier to do. And actually, I wanted to do this first because it's coming in 6 days, and I wanted to do earlier, and then another day we can buy more stuff and then make it more bigger. So I could do it now. So I did most of it like this. These are the lucky ones because on this side these are the lucky ones. On this side this is the not lucky ones. And I'm now going to do all these bags lucky because there was much more to do. There was lots of more to do. So I'm adding more stuff because it looked like a little. So yeah, let's move on. These are two. It has to be like 2. So I'm putting this in this bag, but I'm putting this inside it and do that. Oh, this gummy is really sweet. It's actually supposed to be like this, but I haven't done it yet a lot. So let's just move on and put it this in because it's going to take a while to do this, and there's lots of Mentos and Chippy Chips. What's this again called? Chupa Chips. Yeah, Chupa Chips. I have to put them. There's lots of these, and I got like big packets of this because those like 24, 22, 23 are like those places of my class because I'm going to put this to give to my class, and I'm going to add one to my friend. Yeah, obviously that was true. So I would like to start right now. So let's go on. These are older ones, but I want to put it back in. So this I choose purple. I choose like lots of Mentoses because I was like lots, and also I put it in this bag called, it's a rainbow bag called Happy Birthday. I like doing that, but it's always like that. So I'm going to take all the So I'm going to put that stuff in here because there's nothing true. So I'm going to put right over here like this. Gummy, some Mentosy and gummy. No, this Mentos. More Mentos, Chupa Chips. Oh no, this one. Mentos again. This came out. Yeah. This one is a broken one. I don't know why, but still doing that. There's like lots of ones of this. do lots. This feels so light. So I'm going to put the heavy ones and dump it in the light ones.
यो सबै राख न एउटा एउटा दुईटा दुईटा थप
So I'll take 2 of these Mentos. Put it right in. Still light, so I'm gonna put one more grape flavored. Not grape flavored. What's this flavor? It's, yeah, I'm just gonna put it. But yeah, I am putting this. So yeah, I'm still doing it. There's lots to do. I hope I would like you to so I'm sorry I just got I just need to look at something, but so I still had to do a lot of things, but it might be a long video, very boring. I wouldn't like that, right? So I'm gonna go to second round of doing this, and we will on the other day we'll do this. So yeah, and also you have to subscribe, like, share, comment, and that's all. So I hope you like this video too, and you would like which you have to comment me which flavor you like on the Mentos and the Chewy Chips and these gummies, and you tell me we try. So I just forgot it. You should get one of this candy cane. Not a candy cane, but it's these. That's the one. This is Chippy chips, and this. I'm so sorry to say these are the patty bags, and you should get this rainbow candy. Yum! It's very yummy. And Mentos, a big, large of Mentos, and that's in Bankstown or Target, I think. Yeah. Oh, Kmart. Yeah, Kmart. You have to go to Bankstown in Bankstown shopping center, Kmart. That you see there, and so bye bye.